Hi to everyone. MEM School of Engineering, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, online classes, subject Automotive Electronics, unit number 5, chapter number 2. So in this class, we are going to discuss about traction control system. So what is traction control system? What are the types of, how it is work like that we are going to discuss in this traction control system. That is introduction to the traction. So introduction, that is traction control system having three parts: traction control system, types of track system. Okay, these are the main process of these conditions. So when we go for a right side, it will be 46 feet, it will be move on to the 58 feet. So the angle between the input and output will be varying with respect to the concept. So this traction controlled by the black diagrams, that is a block of materials, that is block of components. That is, it is having central ECU, that is electronic control unit with the electronic control module. Okay, the wheel speed and sensor. Okay, that is the input is wheel speed sensor, battery, track off switch, so stop light switch, throttle position sensor. The output will be actuator solenoids, actuator pump motor, slip indicator light, track off light, ABS warning light. So ECM output will be injector, shift solenoid valves. So track wheel speed control. So wheel speed control against track. Okay. So that is high or high to low. The accelerator pedal depressed, the target control speed. So vehicle speed. So benefits of traction control. That is avoid accidents, sudden twists and turns, slippage of wheels, stopping distance, driving a powerful car, most gripping. These are the process used. These are the condition we are using the traction control application. In order to road cars, in race cars, in motorcycles, in of road vehicles and safety, they are using the traction control system. Disadvantage of this system: wear on brake components, hold performance driving, allows 100% wheel slip, it bans in the F1 racing. Image of application: without traction control, the car will widely go and return, but if it is having a traction control, means the electronic traction control system will be move on to the minimum corner set. So next one, ABS, as its name is suggests, prevent a vehicle brake from the locking up. That is anti-lock braking system. In earlier cars, they have more number of pedals, more number of models for braking system. So there are, if the accident or something happened, means the brake will be locked. The brake will not work out for the particular time period. So that was that cost was removed in this system. That is anti-lock braking system. It is an electronic system which monitor and control the skidding of the vehicle during braking, or can say prevents the wheels from locking while braking. So ABS allow the driver to maintain steering control while braking on the shortened braking distance on slippery surface. So like wet or icy surfaces. But it increases the stopping distance in simple surfaces. So anti-lock braking system on any vehicle is simply an additional monitoring and controlling function superimposed on the existing vehicle braking system. So ABS is neither a second brake system, so not nor replace the vehicle braking system. It is hard real-time system. It holds all events, even in worst case given time constraint. So anti-lock braking system were first developed for aircraft in 1929. So this is the braking system. We have a simple brake system. If we hit the pedal, means we will move on to the it will produce the brake in the tire. But braking system automobile, the brakes are actuated by hydraulic pressure. In simple braking system, you applied force by the depressing the brake pedal, simply transmitting to the wheel. So through incompressible fluid, but simple force applied by the human seems to be difficult to stop the huge running vehicles. To multiply, the applied force of hydraulic system is used. So the hydraulic system contains glass cylinders filled with oil and connected to another with an oil filled pipe. If you apply a downward force to one piston, then force is transmitted to another piston in the pipe through the incompressible oil. So hydraulic system makes force multiplication by changing the size of one cylinder and the piston relative to other. So inside the master cylinder, force applied at a small cylinder force applied at the small cylinder is F, and the force applied at the big cylinder will be 9F by using the Bernoulli's theorem. So while hard brake is applied to stop the vehicle, then friction of the brakes locks the wheel solidly, and contact between wheel and the roads lost, then wheel starts getting across road. If traction between wheels and the roads goes down, the cases when surface is wet, icy, etc., then wheel would slip and resulting in longer stopping distance. These are the architecture of ABS condition. ABS model, that is ABS control model will be uh, given to the hydraulic pump and valve. That is speed sensor data will given to the ABS control model. So first of all, wheel speed sensor detect the speed based on the speed of rotating two-tooth wheel. So increase in number of pulses generated if wheel speed increases. So decrease in number of pulses generated if wheel speed decreases. No change in number of pulses generated if wheel speed remains same. This is the operation of this is a basic diagram of block diagram of ABS. That is data from getting from battery, ignition, brake switch, neutral switch. So acceleration is like that. It is gathering information from typical sensor inputs and put the out analyze and given to the output to the pump motor, drivers, LEDs, ABS solenoids, and enable to the diagram. So installing is a main features of the ABS. That is control of steering, fail-safe electrical, self-diagnosis system, diagnosis tool compatibility, ABS malfunction lamp like that features are done by the ABS. Okay, this is a concept of features and benefits of ABS. Okay, so nowadays all the systems are compiled with the ABS system. Okay, so then only it will automatically take brake to the particular speed. If a system, if the more speed of the wheel will be going very high, means what we are acquired, so it will be put some anti-lock brakes to the tires. Okay, this will mainly used in the reduce the accident happen in the roads. Okay, thank you. So next class we will see the adaptive cruise control and cruise control systems.